How to order items from AliExpress app. Let's get started. First, open the AliExpress app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to type in keywords for the items you want to purchase. You can also browse through categories to find what you're looking for. Tap on any product that catches your eye to view more details. Once you find an item you want to order, tap on it to open the product page. Review the product details, including specifications, price, available options such as size or color, and customer reviews. Make sure to choose the correct options before proceeding. If you want to continue shopping and add more items, tap on the Add to Cart button. This will save the item in your cart, and you can continue browsing. If you're ready to purchase immediately, tap Buy Now to proceed directly to checkout. If you've added multiple items to your cart, go to the cart icon at the bottom of the screen to review your selected products. Make sure the items, quantities, and options are correct. You can also remove items if you change your mind. Tap on Checkout when you're ready to place your order. You'll be taken to the checkout page, where you can confirm your shipping address and select your preferred payment method. AliExpress offers various payment options, including credit debit cards, PayPal, and other local payment methods depending on your location. Select the payment method you prefer and enter the necessary details to proceed. After reviewing your order summary, tap on Place Order to finalize your purchase. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation message and your items will be prepared for shipping. You can track your order status in the My Orders section under your account. Here, you can see when your items are shipped and estimated delivery times. And that's how you order items from the AliExpress app. It's quick, easy, and you'll have access to millions of products at your fingertips. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.